Hi, I wanted to make a little video about the Teams meetings being recorded and the whiteboard app. So I am in Teams and I'm in my calculus class and I'm going to meet and I'm going to start recording. And so now I want to show you the difference between the whiteboard app that is you download from Microsoft just like any other app, and then the whiteboard app in the Teams meeting. So if you share, you get these options here. So you see whiteboard right here. That is not the one you want. That is the little app built into Teams, and that's what's not recorded. Instead, what you want to do is share your desktop. So if I share my desktop, there, my stylus doesn't like to work with my recording software. Anyway, if you share your desktop, you see that another little Teams icon shows up down here in the system tray. And if I choose the whiteboard app that I had downloaded previously to this meeting and installed, and I wrote I'm not the Teams whiteboard on it, you're going to see that that shows up in the recording that I'm going to be posting later. When I go back to the team meeting, if I choose that other whiteboard app, which is going to be at the end of the video, you're going to see that it doesn't get recorded. So be sure to download instead this whiteboard app from the Microsoft Store, and that's what will be recorded in your Teams meeting if you share your desktop. A side note, you can collaborate in this whiteboard app. It's not part of Teams, so it's not like it's going to automatically be collaborative with your class team, but you can choose to have office hours one-on-one with a student.